Hey there, people of the internet and YouTube. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing an unboxing video, or quote-unquote mail time. I've got two packages that came, and one's for this upcoming show called Tune Originals. I hope to see some of you guys there. And another one's called a monthly subscription based PetrolBox. Let's get to it. I've got a thingy in there for the Accord, and this thingy, and let's just see what's inside. They've got a bunch of cool stuff. Usually they have t-shirts, they have air fresheners, they have lanyards, they just have a bunch of cool stuff. But this box is from a collaboration with PetrolBox and Hoonigan Garage. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, it's got tape on it. It's got tape. Tape. I got it open. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see. Would you look at that? Oh, it's all aluminum. It's not even plastic. It's all aluminum. That's so dope. So cool. Oof. Vanity plate. Oof. Thank you. Oh yeah, I just want to say shout out to Import Crate. They actually do monthly subscription squash boxes. So if you have any air fresheners that you want, or even single air fresheners, or if you want to just pay for a basic monthly subscription all the way up to a premium, they have 3 varieties. I highly recommend it. So if you should really check out importcrate.com. Shout out to the boys at Careless. You only live once. Da-da-da. Ah. Da-da-da. Let's see. Really wish I had a strap. So weird. So weird I can't open it up. Let me put this down and be right back. At least you guys know that it's secured properly, and then you can't even open it up with one hand. Let's put this right here. Whoop. Uh-oh. Let's see what is inside of this month's box. Uh-oh. Fitment Industry hat. Fitment Industry. Wait a second. This isn't a Hoonigan Garage box. It's a Fitment Industry shirt with a Fitment Industry Premier Wash. What? Oh, wow. We got a lot of their stuff. Guess it's a Fitment Industry box. My bad. Let's see what else they have in here. Ooh. Got a thing for black shirts. Ooh, so soft. Can't really make out that logo. Let's see what they have on the back. Any wheels? Nope. But it's a pretty rad shirt. Look at that. Yeah. What else do we have in here? Air freshener. Very nice. A poop. Ooh. Sub of the month. Cody. Go Cody. Magnetic. Sticks right there. Ooh. Oh. We got new tools. Let's put that there. Premier Vehicle Wash by Fitment Industries. You know what? I want to use this. I'm going to use this one day. Make a video about it? Sure. Do a review about it? Sure. Little Sour Patch, can't go wrong with that. Spun gold, heavy duty. Carbon. Very nice. And that's really it. Thank you for joining me on the video again. Remember to subscribe to PetrolBox. Go ahead and go out to www.petrolbox.com. They have a monthly subscription. You can get a basic one all the way up to a premium one. Same thing with Import Crate. You can get a basic all the way up to a premium monthly subscription box for their squash boxes. Smell amazing. They always change month to month. You get small little ones that you can hang off your mirror, or big can ones, or big giant ones that you can stuff and they last like all month long. Also, shout out to Mehul. He's got his own channel also, Mehul Rana Royale. He helped me wrap this whole entire car, also along with the thank yous. Thank you to Troll Team 6, my boys. They helped me out get through this whole entire car. If it wasn't for them, I'd actually probably wouldn't have this today. Also, check out the Team High Def on Instagram and Facebook. Bunch of great guys, great people to be around. Good. Thank you for the video. Thanks for coming out. I'm done being awkward. Bye.